In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Chrome extensions, Chromium. To begin, open Google Chrome or any Chromium-based browser. This includes browsers built on the same engine, so the steps will look very similar across them. Once your browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. That's the main menu that gives you access to your browser's settings and tools. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all your browser preferences. On the left-hand side, click You and Google. This section controls your profile, sign in, and what information gets saved to your account. Next, select Sync and Google Services. This is where you decide exactly what the browser should keep in sync across your devices. Now, click Manage What You Sync. You'll see options to sync everything or to pick specific categories. Choose Customize Sync and then make sure Extensions is turned on. This is the key setting for today. Turning on the Extensions toggle tells your browser to remember which extensions you use so the same set can appear when you sign in elsewhere. Some extension-specific data may behave differently depending on the developer, and you may be asked to grant permissions again on a new device, which is normal. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see an option to turn on Sync. Click that and sign in with your Google account. Sync only works when you're signed in, and it applies to any device where you use the same account with Sync enabled. If you use a work or school account, be aware that your organization might manage these settings, and some options could be restricted. A few quick tips for clarity. Choosing Customize Sync instead of syncing everything gives you more control, which is helpful if you only want extensions to follow you but prefer to keep bookmarks, history, or passwords separate. If your browser labels look slightly different, that's okay. Some Chromium-based browsers rename these sections, but the path is generally the same. Go to Settings, find the area related to your profile or Google Services, and then manage what you sync. Once Extensions is on and Sync is enabled with your account, you're all set. From now on, when you sign into the same account on another device, your extension list will populate automatically, keeping your setup consistent and saving you the hassle of reinstalling tools one by one. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your browsing experience smooth and consistent across all your devices.